Continued pressure on the chest from the car seat belt, causing difficulty breathing. And in the event of a collision, the effect of locked body is not sensitive and quick enough. Now, let's test the locking effect of the factory automatic locking device by driving at low speeds and braking hard. 10 kilometers per hour, brake. 20, 30, brake. 40, brake. Because the car seat belt constantly presses the chest, someone stopped the pressure of the seat belt with a clip. Now, put the seat belt 5 centimeters away from the chest. Test its function. "10 kilometers, brake." "10 kilometers, brake." Very dangerous. The quick lock clip will move up against the seat belt ring. The front end will bend down to bend the seat belt. Then you can drive safely because the front half of the seat belt is gradually accelerated when the seat belt is pulled. And when the seat belt is completely straightened, the rear half of the seat belt is rapidly pulled, which is instantaneously accelerated to lock the seat belt. This is an automatic locking device for car seat belt when a sensitive ball vibrates violently. So, using instantaneous acceleration is the best way to lock the seat belt. Now, use the quick lock clip to test of emergency braking at various high and low speeds. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110. When getting off, pull down the seat belt to move the clip in front of your eyes. Push the clip upwards. The trigger will be released. Drag the clip to the end and then release the seat belt buckle and let go. The seat belt will retract completely. For pregnant woman use, wear the seat belt. Connect the buckle. Adjust the belly belt slightly loose. Clamp the two layers of seat belts tightly together to fix the belly belt. With the bending head facing the buckle. Clamp the two layers of the seat belts together tightly near to the buckle. Now we wear the seat belt. Connect the buckle like this. It can prevent the belly belt from tightening sharply during a collision to squeeze the belly and the fetus. For children or people with short stature, wear the seat belt. Clamp the two layers of seat belts near the buckle, with the bending head facing the buckle. And insert the seat belt into the opening of the two flakes. Do not press the trigger immediately. Connect the buckle. Move the clip to adjust the chest belt so that it is away from the child's neck. And then press the trigger firmly. This clip should not be moved exceed the vertical line of the level. Otherwise, the seat belt will slip off the shoulder. This is a child safety seat. The upper end of all child safety seats are loose, although the lower part are tightly fixed, but the upper end are loose. The side seat will fall forward when the collision occurs. It's very dangerous. If it falls too much, the child may rush out from the seat. So, you can use the miracle car seat belt clip. Then, pull out the seat belt by 5 centimeters. Push the clip against the seat belt exit. Press the trigger. Completed. Oppose the collision. Locked. Upon collision, locked. Locked. Very safe.